Hey everybody, how's it going? Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we are talking about how to install the Sweet GTK theme. So to start off, you're going to need to open up a terminal, clear it out, and install Git. Now, I've already got Git, so I don't need to do it, but the instructions are here. So from there you need to grab the source code for the theme, the clone command here, click paste, and paste, and then it should be there. Then we go down and we cd into Sweet, take a look at the files, make sure everything looks okay, then we can go back out. So now we can install Sweet by doing this. Now we made a theme folder, and then we can just move Sweet into the right directory. So here's an icon theme that works with Sweet. I'm not going to go over how to install it because that's really not what this video is about. This video is about how to install this GTK theme. But if you want it to look good, you can go down in my article here, check the link in the description, and we walk you through how to get the icon theme working with it as well. So before I go, I'm going to open up the tweak tool, and we are going to activate this theme. Now I'm going to activate it for my desktop environment here. I'm not going to activate it for, all the other major desktop environments. You can find that information in the article as well. But as it opens up, you can see this is what we got here. And this is Sweet. It's pretty cool. I like it. And it's definitely worth using if you want something new and something different. Anyways, guys, I have to get going now. But hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.